And this is Ganesh. Welcome back to Ganesh Jadhav Automation Studio. So today we are going to learn about the introduction of the Lombok. So what is mean by the Lombok? Basically, you might have a question. So what is mean by the Lombok? Why we are using the Lombok? What is it is beneficial for our automation framework as well? Everything basically we are going to learn bit in our upcoming session. So I'm going to release the complete series of the Lombok and how basically we are embedded the Lombok with our UI automation framework. How basically we can do the automation with the help of the Lombok. Everything we are going to learn gradually, guys. So probably you might heard this term about the Lombok multiple time, but now we are going to learn about the Lombok. So guys, Java is one of the most popular language, but it has some drawback. Okay, it has some drawback, and due to those drawback, we have to write down a lot of boilerplate code. Yes, guys, Java is one of the most popular language which is developed in 1995, which is released in 1995, and from till date and from now still Java is one of the most popular language. Our Selenium, Maven, a lot of code, lot of tool, automation tool, we can say that by default developed in a Java language first, and then later on they are going to extend their support to the other language as well. So that is why we can say that Java is one of the most popular language. But yes, guys, it has some drawback, and due to those drawback, we are going to write down some boilerplates. Now, 100% you might have questions. What is mean by the boilerplate code? Okay, 100% you might have question. What is exactly mean by the boilerplate code? Okay, guys. So boilerplate code is nothing but if you talked about it is a computer programming boilerplate code or simply boilerplate or section of code that are repeated in multiple places with little or no variations. Yes, guys, your boilerplate code is nothing but, guys, we are writing that code again and again. Yes, guys, after uses of the inheritance as well, we are going to create a multiple redundant code. We are going to create a duplicate code or similar kind of code we are going to create. Not a duplicate, but we can say that similar kind of code basically we can able to create, guys. Okay, this is mean by the we can say that boiler code, and this is the one of the uh, biggest drawback of the Java language. Now, 100% you might have a question where we are using this boilerplate code. Okay, right? Where 100% you all might have a question which boilerplate code is available in Java. So, guys, probably you all are aware of the data setters and the toString method. So, guys, if you just remember, whenever we are defining the private variables in a class, and if you want to access those private variable outside of the class, that time getter setter method we have to use, guys. You remember, guys, and that time if you want to get that particular private data variable member, or if you want to set the value of that private data variable, that time getters and setters method we have to use, guys. So with the help of these getters and setters methods, we can able to what, guys, we can able to set the data. But the point over here is every time we have to create in getters and setters, and due to those issues you are going to create a lot of duplicate code or a lot of redundant code. Okay, so to overcome this issue, Lombok is coming to the picture. Yes, guys, Lombok is a beautiful project, and with the help of this project, we can reduce this issue. We can able to overcome this issue. We don't need to write down the getters and setters methods again and again. Okay, with the help of the Lombok, we can completely remove the boilerplate code, guys. This is the thing we have, and that is why Lombok we have to use, guys. That is why we have to use the Lombok. Okay, and that is why we have to use the Lombok here. Okay, once this is done, if you looked at the official website of the Lombok symbol, you have to search Lombok on the Google Chrome, and you can see, guys, this is an official website of Lombok, guys. Now, how to enable this Lombok in our automation project, how basically we can able to add the dependency, how we can able to add this Lombok in our IntelliJ IDEA, everything we are going to learn in our upcoming session, guys. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.